So welcome back everybody to another video. So it looks like Taylor Swift actually won her court case on sexual assault from David Mueller. So if you're not familiar, actually what happened was in 2013 during a pre-concert meet and greet. Um, she was taking photos with people. So David Mueller with I'm not familiar, but maybe his girlfriend or his wife at the time, who knows, but there was another girl within the image with them. And so what actually happened was during the photo, he actually went underneath her skirt and grabbed her bare buttocks. So when they went to court, what actually happened was he was charging her with getting him fired from his $150,000 a year paying job at a radio station and whatnot. And what actually happened was he lost because it got kicked out. He waited too long to actually make a claim against it, so he went against the statute of limitations on that. But due to the district attorney, U.S. Judge William Hernandez, it got thrown out. But what actually stayed in place was her counterclaim of sexual assault. And today it was actually proven by the jury that he was guilty of it. So a lot of people are claiming this is a big win for women and everything on claiming against sexual assault. But I don't know. She should have claimed sooner. Never be afraid, anybody, of claiming whether you're male, female, whether the assault was from a male, female. Just come forward and say it, because that should not be tolerated. I do not condone it, regardless of any kind of stature that she has. But actually, and that's the reason why she didn't claim it at first. She did not want all these memes and YouTubers coming out making all these claims and actually making it part of her whole career. So she kind of told everybody, but not made it public, and that's kind of the wrong thing to do. But understand where the point of view comes from, and I do understand that, but also I don't condone that. She should have came out a lot sooner and told people about that. There's definitely photos to prove it. But with that being said, this was a big victory for her. She did actually win, so good for her. And to this David Mueller guy, I like to say a couple of things, but then this would get demonetized, so I will not. So with that being said, I congratulate you, Taylor Swift, for coming out and actually making a point. They're trying to do a whole bunch of counter, what do you call it, when the lawyers come up, and she was being strong. She even quoted saying that, like, you can ask me these questions a million times and I'll come out with the same responses every time, because it does not neglect from the fact of what happened, and she can claim it. So she definitely won. Congrats on her. And for future people, like, don't be shy. Just come out. As a male, I could not even fathom even approaching a woman like that, or even doing anything close to that. So, like, anybody who does that is unfathomable. Like, just don't do it. Like, that's wrong, and report it. But yeah, with that being said, here I am enjoying the nice, beautiful weather. And until next one, guys, you have a good one. All right.